Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan called it a major upgrade, a law that is meant to replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, a scheme that has existed for nearly 2 decades. The Congress party is now staging a protest against the overhaul of the rural job scheme, raising concerns over Manrega. The protest is taking place in multiple locations from Delhi to Karnataka as well. Protests have broken out, and the Congress party is raising 2 objections. One, the change in the name. In fact, the Congress party said that it was an insult that Mahatma Gandhi's name was being removed from the scheme that has existed for decades together in the country. And the Congress party and many opposition leaders have also raised questions on the fact that the state governments will now have to bear 40% of the financial burden. Now, protests also coming in from Suvarnasauda and Belagavi of Karnataka. My colleague Imran is joining us live on the broadcast with the details. Imran, what is the Congress party protesting against? What is their key charge against the new bill being brought by the government?
Well, the Congress is saying that it's an attempt to rename not just rename, but completely squash the Manrega scheme. And apart from that, they're also protesting over the National Herald case right now. As you can see behind me, the senior leaders of the cabinet here, they are in the Belagavi session. For the 14-day session, they were here, and today they're protesting over the Manrega scheme and also the National Herald case, which the case says the fictitious case on Rahul Gandhi and also on Sonia Gandhi. As you can see, senior leaders of the party here, including B.K. Hariprasad speaking now. We have ministers, Mr. Krishna Bairegowda and Agriculture Minister, along with the MLAs, and including the Home Minister at the corner, and Dinesh Gundu Rao is also the Health Minister here, Education Minister, all protesting today against the case being filed by Rahul Gandhi, and also on the renaming of the Manrega, which they feel as the ambitious scheme of the Congress government. However, it has been, what they claim the BJP is trying to let it down in the start. We have Mr. Bharati Suresh here, Senior Minister. Sir, today's protest, can you just give
the CM is calling just a minute.
Sir, they would like to comment. Mr. Yadav.
Sir, afterwards. No. After that, no, they'll get angry.
So they see the ministers would speak probably after the protest here, but as you see here right now, the ministers of the cabinet are protesting both on the renaming of Manrega and also the National Herald case, in which Rahul Gandhi was questioned, and the Congress is, understandably angry over the case. In fact, earlier speaking to us, Santosh Lat, sir, today the protest is happening now.
Protest ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ರಾಶಿ ಬಂದು.
Just one second. Today they said Manrega has also been renamed, also protesting over the National Herald case. Senior Mr. Ramlinga Reddy is with us. He'll just speak, sir. So Manrega has been renamed. The BJP, how like to see, and also the National Herald case.
Their BJP people's RSS and Vishwa Hindu Parishad, they're anti-Mahatma Gandhi. They don't like Mahatma Gandhi. Who killed Mahatma Gandhi? RSS worker. Who supported? RSS supported at the time. This is very unfair. See, there are a lot of other schemes in Vajpayee name and other leaders' name. Nobody will object. Let them bring G. Ramji, a new scheme. Let them bring. Why they have to change Mahatma Gandhi name? This is not very good, very unfair.
The government is saying that investigation agencies are doing their duty. They are investigating a corruption scandal in the National Herald case. You are saying but you are protesting against it.
See, this ED institution started in 1956. At the time of Manmohan Singh period, in 10 years, 1,400 cases are registered. In 11 years of Modi regime, they have registered 4,800 cases. And a lot of people, they joined BJP after registering cases.
Saying it's a vendetta by the Modi government?
They joined BJP and they put them in the washing machine, and CBI and ED has given clean sheet, and now they have given power for other peoples also. See, they are misusing ED, IT and other institutions, CBI. See, in 2013, what happened? UPA government was there.
So you mean to say that the national error case is only meant to harass Gandhi family?
Not only, see, 4,800 cases registered in 10 years, 11 years. See, for example, 2G, 2 lakh crores are misappropriation. They misleaded the people in 2013 by using Anna Hazare, Kiran Bedi, Ramdev and others. And 80,000 crores in the coal misleaded, the misappropriation, they misleaded. In after 2014, BJP government was there. Why they have given clean sheet for 2G and coal? They have given clean sheet. See, they are misleading the people. Like that, this is also they are misleading. But
The government says that there is a corruption scandal is there. They are investigating the case. They let the investigation just complete the investigation.
Let them continue. We don't object. But intentionally they are giving troubling. Only they are targeting Congress, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and they making allegations against Nehru. Nehru expired when? 60 years back. Mahatma Gandhi.
Senior leader of the Congress party, Mr. Ramling Reddy, is also transport minister, saying that all this is nothing but vendetta politics against the Gandhi family, and renaming of the Manrega is to bring in RSS ideology. They should have even brought in a new scheme under Vajpayee or G. Ram. But why target Mahatma Gandhi? He said the very core of it, they are against the Gandhian ideals and values. And that's the reason why that's why the entire exercise of the union government. Here behind me, you see the senior ministers, cabinet ministers, MLAs, MLCs protesting both against Manrega, change of Manrega, and also about National Herald case.
National Herald case as well as the Manrega as well. Imran, thank you for joining us with those details. This is an overall of the scheme that guarantees unskilled work for people in the rural areas. But the states are also not happy about the financial burden that they will have to take. We're looking at the visuals from Karnataka, but protests also expected in the national capital. Kritika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Kritika, yesterday we saw protests in the parliament. The opposition seemed to be united against the Jairamji bill that has been brought in by the government. What is planned by the opposition today? All right, we'll go back to Kritika in just a moment. But remember, this comes at a time when there is already a lot of financial strain on the state governments because of the freebies that have been planned by the state governments. Kritika is back with us. So, Kritika, we saw protests yesterday in the parliament. Today, what's expected?
Upping the ante as far as their opposition towards the renaming of the bill and certain provisions in the bill is also concerned. Remember, yesterday also, Priyanka Gandhi from the Congress party, even DNK leader C.R. Balu as well as Supriya Sule from NCP made big allegations against the government. They said that they welcome, in fact, changes as far as legislation is concerned, but the kind of legislation changes that have been brought in, whether it is the dropping of the name of Mahatma Gandhi from from the Manrega bill, the renaming of the nomenclature, that is a big concern. The other big concern remains, of course, the slashing of central contribution to the funds from 90% to, in fact, 60%. This was another point that was being raised by the parliamentarians, opposition parliamentarians yesterday. We'd also seen how there is a lot of, in fact, the Treasury has been trying to defend this move as trying in their justification that they are going to up the number of days, guaranteed employment days, from 100 to 125. And this is in fact
guaranteed employment days from 100 to 125. And this is in fact an entire overall. They're also giving an example of how earlier this scheme was named after former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. And then it was later renamed to Mahatma Gandhi, to the Manrega scheme. What the BJP is saying is that whether then this constituted, this for earlier renaming constituted as an insult to Jawaharlal Nehru, because it clearly did not in their defense. So they say then how can it be, in fact, against the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi to drop his name. What the agriculture minister now has said is, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, that the idea now is to bring in Ram Rajya, and that is why the VBG Ramji scheme nomenclature has been taken up. So definitely this is not sitting well with the opposition. They have also, in fact, clarified the Treasury benches that the bill will not be sent back to a joint parliamentary committee. It will be passed as is. This again is becoming a lot of very contentious. Remember, there are NDA partners as well. We had heard from TDP leader Mr. Shri Krishna yesterday, who had also said that some consideration should be taken into the financial burden that this will add to the states. So that is also a big, in fact, point that was made by an NDA partner as well.
All
This
right, so a
also
lot
is now
expected today. Kritika will come back to you for those updates. Thank you for joining us with those details. So with that, we shift our attention and cut across straight to the India Economic Conclave.